Hello and welcome to the Analytics videos. In this video, we will learn about the Spillover Work Trend chart. A Spillover Work Trend chart helps you track the spillover work of your team. A spillover work is a work that was committed by your team for a sprint but couldn't be completed during that sprint duration and hence tagged to the next sprint. Using the Spillover widget, you can visualize the absolute count or story points of spilled over work items for a maximum of up to the last 12 sprints in a bar or line chart. It's important to note that a work item will be considered a spilled over work item only if you create a spillover of that work item. To create a spillover of a work time, navigate to the execution board and click the More Options icon of the desired card. Click Add Spillover Card and specify the name of the spilled over card. By default, it appends the spillover up to the existing card. Select whether you want the totos, attachment, or comments of the existing card to be included in the spilled over card, and that's all. Such cards will be tracked in the Spillover Work Trend widget. To create a Spillover Work Trend chart, open the Analytics Builder and navigate to the standard widgets. Under the Agile Analytics, click the Spillover Work Trend chart icon. Specify the name of the chart. Under the Data Criteria section, select the filter criteria if you want to apply a filter on the widget. Specify the sprints. Now, please note that there are two ways to specify the sprints. First, fixed set of sprints. In this, you can specify a specific duration and all the sprints falling in that duration will be shown. You can further unselect a sprint from the shown sprints. By default, a 3-month duration is selected where the to date is the current date and the from date is 3 months before the current date. You can modify the duration if you want. The other way to specify the sprints is the dynamic list of sprints. Specify the number of sprints, such as 10, and it will show the spillover of the last 10 sprints. By default, 12 sprints are selected. Once you specify the sprints, specify other options such as to show the data labels on the chart, turn on the Show Data Label toggle. To show the trend line on the chart, turn on the Show Trend Line toggle. To see the spillover work in percentage, turn on the Show Value as a percentage. In the Dimension and Settings section, specify the unit of measurement for the chart, such as points or work item counts. Select the chart type as bar chart or line chart. Once you specified all the settings, click the Save button. In the chart, the sprints are plotted on the x-axis, while the points or count of the spilled over work item is plotted on the y-axis. Each bar represents a sprint, and hovering over the bar shows the sprint name as well as the work item count. The Spillover Work Trend also shows the important matrices such as average shows the average value of the sum of estimated points or count of work items that got spilled over in the sprints seen on the widget. Last 3 show the average value of the sum of estimated points or count of work items that got spilled over in the last 3 sprints seen on the widget. Lowest 3 shows the average value of the sum of estimated points or work item count of 3 sprints that have the lowest spillover amongst sprints seen on the widget. Highest 3 shows the average value of the sum of estimated points or work item count of 3 sprints that have the highest spillover amongst sprints seen on the widget. We hope this video helped you have a basic understanding of the Spillover Work Trend chart. See you in the next video. Thank you.